inventory waste. Inventory waste, often referred to as inventory holding waste. This is the type of waste in your business and your manufacturing process that occur when your organization decide to maintain an excessive level of inventories or stores inventories for extended periods. This will lead to insufficiencies and increase the cost of these holding processes. This waste can be particularly problematic in a long term because holding of this inventory touching your capital and tied up to unsold or unused inventory, storage cost, and the potential for product obsolescence. Reducing inventory waste is a fundamental objective of lean inventory management and just in time manufacturing. By minimizing inventory waste, companies can free up capital, reduce storage cost, improve cash flow, and increase over operational efficiency while better meeting customer demand. So here, what you need to do, you need to continuously monitoring and adjusting your inventory based on the demand and production requirement. You need also to establish efficient reorder point and minimizing safety stock. Also, implementing a streamlined supply chain and logistics that will help you to reduce these lead times. And finally, you need avoiding overproduction and batch production in favor of small frequent production runs. This will help you to reduce the inventory waste.